Good evening to all. So, this is the next question we will discuss. That is asked in the JEST 2021. So, question was a particle of mass m. Question पहले देख लेते हैं. A particle of mass m having a non-zero angular momentum of magnitude L is subject to a central potential okay, central potential or central force potential which is given by VR is equal to K ln R, where K is a constant and R is equal to R vector magnitude. What is the radius R? Question was asked, what is the radius R? What is the radius R at which it will have a circular orbit? Okay. Will the circular orbit be stable and unstable? It will. Next part is, will the circular orbit be stable or unstable? So first of all, we will check the circular orbit position of the circular orbit. So first of all, we know the energy equation of it. So the energy equation is half mr dot square plus L by 2mr square plus potential energy. Okay, this is the total energy. So this is equal to, for the particle of mass m having non-zero angular momentum of magnitude L, so here r dot is equal to 0, so therefore this part will vanish, so we will remain with the part L by 2mr square plus Vr. So this will be E. Now we will find out del E by del R. So this is equal to del by del R, L by 2mr square, Vr is K ln R. So this is del by del R of K ln R, del by del R of K ln R. So this will be, constant part को बाहर ले जाते हैं, L by 2m, so del by del R of 1 by R square plus constant K is outside, del by del R of ln R. Okay, so this will be equal to L by 2m minus 2 by R cube minus 2 by R to the power 3. Okay, plus this will be K by ln R, differentiate करेंगे तो यह आ जाएगा K by R. So this will be minus 2 cancel, so this will be minus L by mr cube plus K by R. So इसमें हम R निकाल लेते हैं, बिकॉज सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट के लिए हम स्टेबल सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट चेक करना है. तो सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट के लिए पहले हम इसका डेल ई बाई डेल आर पार्ट को हम क्या करेंगे, इक्वल टू 0. So this will be equal to, जब इक्वेट करेंगे, so this will be k by r, this will be k by r is equal to L by mr cube. Okay, so this will be r एक कैंसिल हो जाएगा, so this will be k equal to L by mr square, r square equal to L by km, so r is equal to L by km root over. Okay, next we will check its stability, whether it will be stable or unstable. We will check it. Okay, तो stable होगा कि नहीं इसको चेक करेंगे. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे ना, हमारा निकाला था कितना, डेल ई बाई डेल आर कितना निकला था, माइनस एल बाई एम आर क्यू प्लस के बाई आर. इसको और एक बार डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं, डेल स्क्वायर ई बाई डेल आर स्क्वायर, दिस विल बी माइनस एल बाई एम डेल बाई डेल आर 1 by r cube plus this will be k del by del r 1 by r. Okay, so this will be equal to minus L by m minus 3 by r fourth plus k minus 1 by r square. Okay, so this will be 3L by m r fourth minus, in the place of k we can substitute L by mr square, L by mr square, here 1 by r square, so this will be L by mr fourth, so 3L by mr fourth minus L by mr, so this will be 2L by mr fourth, 2L by mr fourth, which is greater than 0. So this is greater than 0, so this will be stable orbit, this will be stable orbit. So in the option there was given in the option this was given, first part is r equal to L by 2 mk unstable orbit, r equal to L by 2 mk and unstable orbit, so this will be not the correct answer. Second में दिया है L by 2 mk with stable orbit, so this will be wrong. Third option में था r equal to L by mk root over unstable orbit, this will be not the answer. So the final answer will be r equal to L by mk with stable orbit, so this will be the correct, this will be the correct answer. Okay, so thank you. In the next video और एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं इसका. ओके, the next question will consider a system consisting of three non-degenerate so this is my fifth question, non-degenerate energy levels with energies दे दी है 0 epsilon and 2 epsilon in the limit of infinite temperature, t tends to infinity, the probability of finding a particle in the ground state. तो हमको निकालना है p epsilon इक्वल टू 0, ग्राउंड स्टेट में इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है. ठीक है, तो इसका फार्मूला हम क्या जानते हैं, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू e टू द पावर माइनस बीटा, इसका एनर्जी लेवल कितना है 0, इसके बाद z का वैल्यू हम निकाल देंगे e टू द पावर माइनस बीटा इंटू 0 प्लस e टू द पावर माइनस बीटा इंटू ई प्लस e टू द पावर माइनस बीटा, इसका एनर्जी लेवल 2e, so this will be e to the power minus beta 0, so this will be 1, e to the power minus beta 0, this will be 1 plus e to the power minus beta e plus e to the power minus 2 beta e. Okay, सो कंडीशन में गिवन दिया है t टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी, तो इसका मतलब बीटा एप्सिलॉन नॉट बहुत स्मॉल हो जाएगा, सो दिस विल बी वेरी स्मॉल. So in this case we can write e to the power minus beta epsilon is equal to 1 minus beta epsilon, and e to the power minus 2 beta epsilon this will be 1 minus 2 beta epsilon. इसको वैल्यू इसको पुट कर देंगे, ठीक है. तो इसका वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा कितना, p एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू 1 बाई, ये हो जाएगा 1 प्लस 1 माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन प्लस 1 minus 2 beta epsilon. So this will be 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 minus 3 beta epsilon. So beta epsilon tends to 0, so this will be 1 by 3. So our answer will be 1 by 3. So this will be the correct answer. So in the fourth option, the third option it was given, so this will be the correct option. So thank you. In the next video we will discuss some more question. So up to this we have discussed total 5 number of question. Next we will discuss some more questions with just 2021. Thank you.